how your actual preparation started and how were you managing your prelims and mains? I mean, how apart were they or how synchronized that preparation was, prelims versus mains?
I had started my proper preparation right after my graduation, and I think the preparation for prelims and mains, it goes hand in hand, because the books that you refer to, you read them for both prelims and mains. The only thing that you have to do is segregate the topics which are just prelim specific and which are just main specific. And I used to refer to the previous year question papers to see that what is actually asked in prelims and what is asked in the mains. And I think whatever books I was reading, I was focusing on both the prelims and mains, and made notes for it respectively, and I had given the many mock papers for it as well.
Okay, so for prelims, if I ask you, so how, you said mock papers. How many mock papers did you give? And also, like now, as we are, coming across to aspirants who will be start preparing or might be, somewhere midway. So, what is your recommendation? We want to know that also. Ki, how many mocks should one be writing, right? And for prelims specifically, is there any portion in out of that syllabus which you think needs special emphasis, or any book or anything which you like to talk about?
I think for prelims I had solved more than 80 mock papers, because I think prelims is becoming more and more difficult every year. So I thought, more you practice, more the better your performance will be. And I think maybe minimum of 50 question papers if you solve before prelims, I think it will be good for you. And I think one portion of the syllabus which is very important, I think, is current affairs, because current affairs appears more and more in the prelims exam, and people they find it difficult that which source should we study for current affairs.
Yeah.
But I would say for that there's no replacement for the newspapers, and I think newspaper reading is very important.
Okay, so first of all, I'm still in awe of you saying 80 mock papers. So that's like, okay, wow. So, we just see an interview or just listen to a success story thinking ki okay, topper hai, itne marks hain, but then nobody knows, your journey, and you are, sitting here in all your charming self, smiling. I can't even imagine, how much of patience is needed to go through that 80 test. So that's very impressive. So
Thank you so much.
now that I've said that, I can come to your newspaper part. So which newspaper were you reading?
I was reading the Hindu and the Indian Express both daily.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, daily you were reading.
Yeah.
And how much time was that taking you?
Approximately 1.5 hours, sometimes 1 hour.
Okay, okay. For both,
For
right?
both
So you got
newspapers.
used to reading both, and
Yes.
you were reading them from way
From
earlier.
college times.
From college time
daily.
you started, so you
Yeah.
kind
It
of
became
got
a habit for me.